Hey everyone! Welcome back to Faster Cars channel! Today, we're diving deep into something that's got off-road enthusiasts buzzing with excitement. The 2026 Ford Tremor lineup. From the Explorer SUV to the F-150 truck, the Super Duty workhorse, and even rumors about a Ranger variant, Ford is bringing serious off-road capability to its entire range. So buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's kick things off with the all-new 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor, which replaces the outgoing Timberline model as the brand's most capable off-road SUV yet. This isn't just your average family hauler. It's built for adventure. The Explorer Tremor comes packed with upgrades, designed to tackle tough terrain. Expect increased ground clearance, upgraded suspension with off-road tuned shocks, and skid plates protecting the underbody from rocks and debris. And check out those rugged aesthetics. This thing looks like it was born to explore the wilderness. Inside, you'll find ActiveX trim seats, rubberized carpets for easy cleaning, and unique Tremor badging throughout the cabin. Tech-wise, the Explorer Tremor doesn't disappoint. It boasts a massive 13.2-inch Sync 4 infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Ford's Copilot 360 suite of safety features. There's even an optional 360-degree camera with off-road views to help you navigate tricky paths. Under the hood, you've got two potent engine choices, both paired with standard AWD, a terrain management system, and hill descent control. Whether you're climbing steep hills or crawling over boulders, the Explorer Tremor has got you covered. Now, let's talk trucks. The 2026 Ford F-150 Tremor continues to deliver hardcore off-road performance, sitting right below the legendary Raptor in terms of capability. While it may not have the Raptor's extreme power, the Tremor still packs plenty of punch. You'll get features like 33-inch all-terrain tires, an upgraded suspension, a locking rear differential, and a four-wheel drive transfer case, inspired by the Raptor itself. With engine options ranging from the reliable 5.0-liter V8 to the powerful twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6, the F-150 Tremor offers versatility whether you're hauling gear or heading off the beaten path. This truck strikes the perfect balance between daily usability and weekend warrior fun. Deliveries are set to begin in late 2025, so keep an eye out if you're looking for a beastly pickup with serious off-road chop. The Tremor off-road package adds some serious hardware to the already mighty Super Duty lineup. Highlights include a 4.30 electronic locking final drive ratio for gas engines, matte finish running boards, and front skid plates for added protection. Features like trail control mode, essentially cruise control for off-roading, and trail turn assist make navigating challenging environments easier than ever. If you're towing heavy loads or working on tough job sites, the Super Duty Tremor won't break a sweat. Finally, there's speculation about a potential Ranger Super Duty joining the Tremor family. While details are scarce, reports suggest it could bridge the gap between the standard Ranger and full-size F-Series trucks. So there you have it. The 2026 Ford Tremor lineup is shaping up to be a force to be reckoned with. Whether you need a rugged SUV like the Explorer Tremor, a versatile truck like the F-150 Tremor, a heavy-duty workhorse like the Super Duty Tremor, or maybe even a future Ranger variant, Ford is covering all bases for off-road enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay adventurous and drive safe.